Hey, this is Scotty with the Gifford Group, FY Realty and My Mutual Mortgage, and today I just wanted to talk about the market a little bit. Usually I do a video with breaking down the numbers, and we should have new numbers coming out pretty soon for October. But I just wanted to do a quick video while I'm driving to our rental property. This is probably the last video I'll make because I'm about to pull up here. But the market right now we're seeing is kind of been flat, and people have been talking about, hey, the prices are going to fall. Like I'm gonna wait to buy till the prices fall. But I think the thing that people really don't understand is that a third of Americans don't own anything on their house. There's no mortgage at all. Like, you think they're gonna worry about the price going up or down? Like they need to sell? Not happening. And then the other 90% of people that do have mortgage, so the other 70% of people that have a mortgage, they're under 6%, and most of them, probably 80% of those, are under 4%. So they almost feel they might be trapped in their house because they have a really low mortgage and they don't want to go anywhere. I myself have a 3.25 on one of the houses we bought. Right, I don't want to sell that house, and even if I wanted to, where I'm gonna have to go buy it 7.5, right? That's what the rates are, right? So I can't go and just take my current mortgage and move to the new house. So a lot of people are trapped like that. So a lot of the move-up buyers, the people that had bought a house and said, I'm gonna buy the starter home and then I'm gonna move up to my next home over the last few years, probably aren't happening. So a lot of people are still gonna be moving into the state, right? Texas is still growing. We have a great economy here. We have the medical industry. We have oil here. Real estate's really strong here. We have the port. We have NASA. I mean, we have a lot of technology companies moving in here in Texas. So real estate in Houston and Texas overall isn't probably going to get any cheaper. On the big cities, like I'm out in Katy, West Houston, and they're building further west. But eventually, are we going to run out of land? Like they built 99, which is really spurred on the growth further west and up to the northwest. So that areas are going to continue to grow. But there's only so much land, and the price of lands have gone up too. So just the cost of real estate and the cost of construction has gone up. We might see that kind of flatten off a little bit. The prices, kind of stabilize after COVID, but they're not going to decrease, right? Once prices get up, they don't usually just go try to work their way back down. The people that are selling the materials aren't going to just start not making money. They still need to pay their employees, and they're being paid more now because of inflation too. So that's not going anywhere. And then the last thing is that people that live here, they need to live here. They need to live somewhere too. So why are they going to just sell their home to someone else? Like, they're going to make it work. The banks in COVID, I talked to somebody the other day who was going through divorce, and there might be this rise of people that need to sell their homes because they haven't made payments because of COVID or whatever, and then we've seen some increase in foreclosures, but they have a lot of equity in their home still because the prices went up. So if they need to sell, they're probably just going to put it on the market and sell it for a profit still, or at least break even, right? Unless you bought in 2020, late 2020, and you need to sell right now in 2023, those people are going to be hurting. Those people are going to be upside down. But everyone else that's bought in 2, 3 years, 5 years prior to, they have tons of equity in the home. They're not just going to just fire sell their homes. They need to live somewhere. Maybe there'll be some combination of people moving back in together. If they try to move out, and then they'll move back in together. They'll get out of the apartment. Hey, move back in home with their parents or whatever. People make adjustments during hard times, but the economy looks like it's going to be slowing down, and it has been slowing down. That's what the Fed's trying to do, is try to hurt the economy by raising their rates. But people still have to live somewhere, and I just don't see it in the data that anywhere that there's going to be these crash bros been talking about, hey, I'm just waiting for the market to crash again. If you go back 2008-9, like, people were having ninja loans. They were buying houses with no income, no credit, no job, nothing. And they're buying multiple properties. Lending since 2010 has been very strict. You have to have good credit. You have to have income to be getting into. The only properties that we've been seeing a little bit uptake that you could, is in investment properties. But usually investors have money. They're the ones that are investing, right? So we'll end it there.